Okay, just another hint to help build your Border HE111 model. So I'm at the propeller stage is towards the end of the build. The only issue we have here, and I'll give you the instructions first. It's on page 35. I'm building the wooden propeller one because I think the wooden propellers look kind of cool. There's nothing in the instructions that tell you should you use the wooden or the metal versus the type of decals or decals you're going to put on. So you're going to have to research that. Anyway, if you notice, it has the female end here. There should be pins on P26. Unfortunately, there are no pins on the top part of the hub. So you're going to have to, go in there and do a reasonable job to get it set up. You have to make sure they're set. The reason you have to make sure it's set properly, by the way, this is called knolling. Look it up. It's a Lego thing. Think Mythbusters and knolling and you'll figure it out. Anyway, it's keyed right there, which is nice. So you take your rotor blade, you place it in the key so you get it in the right positioning. The only issue I will say is it's kind of wibbly wobbly. So you're going to have to make sure that they're in tight set. I'm not sure whether I'll put something in here to make them a little stronger or whatnot. I'm not sure how I'll do it, but we'll get there when we get there. The other thing also is in the instructions. They show on the front of this an etched like icing boot. There's no boot on that. The second thing to know about this is when you get to this section where you're going to put the propellers on, and you slide it in. This is also wibbly wobbly. So there's the rod here on the end is too small. So you're going to have to play with that and make sure you get it centered up. Anyway, this is just a couple of hints. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. And one more thing, be careful out there. Here's a little add-on at the end. So I've been putting in the Quinta decals. You can really see how much of a difference it makes. This is still just dry fit together, but the decals are glued in. You can also see where somebody if they really wanted to go, nuts on this thing and add all the wiring there on that left console where the pilot sits, where all the throttle controls are and everything, you could really make a great looking model, a museum quality model out of this. Anyway, there we go.